Big news coming in with regard to the Pinjara Tod activists. Supreme Court has not issued a stay on the High Court judgment that had granted bail to the activists. Supreme Court has in fact issued a notice to activists Natasha Narwal, Devangana Kalita and Asif Tanha on the plea filed by the Delhi police against the bail judgment. Reply, however, will be filed in 4 weeks. Hearing after 19th July. So what the Supreme Court has said, and I quote here, High Court judgment shall not be treated as a precedent and shall not be relied on by anyone before any court. Supreme Court has said that activists' release will not be affected till final orders by the court. Nalini Sharma is reporting live on this. Nalini, just for the benefit of our viewers, put it in perspective. What does this mean when the Supreme Court says that for now, High Court judgment shall not be a precedent but also will not affect the activists' bail?
Well, Pooja, there are 3 big takeaways from the hearing that's happened before the Supreme Court today. One, of course, like you correctly pointed out, there has been no stay that has been granted on the Delhi High Court order, which essentially means that at least till the next date of hearing, these activists are free and they don't have to go back into custody. The second and the most important takeaway in this entire hearing has been that the Supreme Court has said that whatever is decided in this case is going to have large ramifications across the country. So by the virtue of this, the Supreme Court during this hearing is going to delve into aspects of legality of the UAPA law and might also give a judgment on the constitutionality of the same. So there will be wide ramifications regarding this entire judgment, which is essentially why the Supreme Court for now has ordered that this judgment cannot be used as a precedent, which is what a lot of under trials who are still in custody for crimes under the UAPA were probably hoping, because this Delhi High Court order has been path-breaking in many ways, the legalities of the UAPA Act that it's dealt with. But for now, the Supreme Court has stayed the use of this order as a precedent either by any of the parties or by the court in granting bail to anybody. So that's a minor setback to people who are hoping for this judgment to be path-breaking. But at the same time,
that's very important what you're telling us, Nalini. So the activists are going to be out on bail, but what the High Court had said about the UAPA is not going to be set as a precedent, at least till the Supreme Court orders are filed. Thank you so much, Nalini Sharma, for all the latest and putting it in perspective.